Hello guys, this is KixPix and this is my favorite. I made this out of peach pine. Actually, it's very thin, and the notch, it's made exactly as the size of the pin. Today we're gonna test this pick with the American lock, and we're gonna use this pick. And here we go. Opened, top, or we can do this and repick it again. And here we go. Actually faster than the first time. As you can see, it fit exactly the groove in the pick. So it made it very easy for me to pick this lock, and I picked it really fast. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Me showing you my perfect pick profile, and we picked the American lock, and it wasn't really difficult pick. Thanks guys.